Hello viewers, this is Mahmood. In this video we are going to solve another problem related to integration by parts. The integral is x into natural log of 12 minus 4x. So we have to use integration by parts to find this integral. So we know about the integration by parts rule, that is integral uv equal u into integral of v minus whole integral derivative of u integral of v. This rule can also be written as the integral first function times second function is equal first into integral of the second minus whole integral derivative of first and integral of the second. Okay, so our integral is integral x natural log of 12 minus 4x dx. Okay, so here we have two functions, that is the first one is x and the second one is natural log of 12 minus 4x. So this function is our algebraic function and the second one is basically our logarithmic function. Okay, so here we have to choose which of the function is our u and which of them is our v. So we have to use this word ILATE, and in our previous videos we discussed that this I stands for inverse trigonometric functions, L is for logarithmic, A is for algebraic, T is for trigonometric, and E is for exponential functions. So clearly you can see here this logarithmic function comes first from the algebraic, so we have to consider this logarithmic function is our first function or our u function, and this will become our second function. The algebraic one is our second function. So now the integral x into natural log of 12 minus 4x dx is equal. So now clearly here this is our second function and this natural log of 12 minus 4x is our first function. So we will keep the first function as it is, that is natural log of 12 minus 4x, and we will take the integral of the second one, so that is integral of x dx, then minus whole integral, then derivative of first, so that is d over dx of first function, that is natural log of 12 minus 4x. Okay, and then we will take the integral of the second one. So the second function is x, so the integral of x dx. Okay, so here we have natural log of 12 minus 4x, and here the integral of x is basically x squared divided by 2, then minus integral derivative of first. So the derivative of log of x is basically 1 upon x. So here the argument is not x, that is 12 minus 4x. So that can be written as 1 divided by 12 minus 4x, and then you have to take the derivative of the argument, that is d over dx of 12 minus 4x. Okay, and here the integral of x is going to be x squared divided by 2 into dx. Okay, so here this will become x squared natural log of 12 minus 4x divided by 2, and then minus the derivative of, here we have the derivative of 12 minus 4x is basically minus 4. So that is going to be minus 4 divided by, we can take 4 as a common factor from the denominator, So this would become 3 minus x. Okay, and then x squared divided by 2 dx. So this 4 will cancel with this 4. So we finally get x squared natural log of 12 minus 4x divided by 2. Then this minus with this minus, that will become plus. 1 divided by 2 will come out from the integral. So the integral would become x squared divided by 3 minus x into dx. Okay, so now here we have an improper fraction. So first we will convert it to polynomials plus a proper fraction. So by using the long division method, we have to divide them. So here we have the fraction is x squared divided by 3 minus x. So we have to use the long division method. So here we have x squared will be inside, and this 3 minus x can be written as minus x plus 3. Okay, so now we will multiply with minus x. So minus x is become plus x squared, and minus x with 3 is going to be minus 3x. So we are going to subtract them. This is positive, so it will become negative. So x squared will cancel with minus x squared, and here we have 0. So 0 minus into minus 3x, you know, we are subtracting them basically. So that would become plus 3x, and then we will multiply with only minus 3. So minus 3 times minus x would become plus 3x, and minus 3 with plus 3, so that would become minus 9. Okay, so we are subtracting them, so it is positive. So subtract 3x from 3x, so it will become 0, and here we have 0. So subtract minus 9 from 0, so it is going to be plus 9. Okay, so this improper fraction reduced to the polynomial plus the proper fraction. So here is our quotient, that is minus x minus 3, then plus, this is our remainder, that is going to be 9 divided by the divisor, that is minus x plus 3, or you can write 3 minus x. Okay, so now our integral will become, you know, the integral x times log of 12 minus 4x dx is equal x squared natural log of 12 minus 4x divided by 2 plus 1 upon 2 integral. So this improper fraction can be written as minus x minus 3 plus 9 upon 3 minus x. So it would become minus x minus 3 plus 9 upon 3 minus x to dx. Is it okay? Now we have to integrate the last term. So that is going to be x squared natural log of 12 minus 4x divided by 2, then plus 1 upon 2. So we have to apply the integral inside. So minus integral of x dx, then this integral will apply with minus 3. So the minus 3 will come out from the integral. So the integral would be applied on 1 dx, and then here this integral will apply on 9. So 9 will be come out from the integral, and the integral would become, you know, 1 divided by 3 minus x dx. Okay, here we are doing something, you know, because the derivative of 3 minus x is minus 1. So we will put minus 1 here. Okay, just put minus here and minus here, because this minus again multiply with this minus to get again positive sign. Okay, so finally here x squared natural log of 12 minus 4x divided by 2 plus 1 upon 2, and here minus the integral of x is x square upon 2 minus 3, the integral of 1 is x, then minus 9, and you can see the derivative of the denominator is above, that is minus 1. So we will take the natural log of the denominator, that is 3 minus x, and then we have to put the constant of integration. Okay, so finally our result is integral along x integral x natural log of 12 minus 4x dx is equal x square natural log of 12 minus 4x divided by 2. So now you have to multiply 1 upon 2 inside, so multiply with the first term, so that would become x square upon 2 times 2 is 4. Then multiply with the second term here, so plus minus is minus 3x upon 2, and then multiply with the third term, so that would become minus 9 natural log of 3 minus x divided by 2, and then plus constant of integration c. So this is the final answer.